Good morning, children. I hope you're well. Well done with your maths this week, following the White Rose division, really looking at the mental methods and the different ways that you can work out your division calculations. You've done really well. What I want to do today is just have a quick look at the formal method of division. It's called the bus stop method, and I'm going to go through it as clearly as I can. I've taken some examples from question 2 today in the White Rose maths that most of you are doing. Some of you are doing something slightly different, but you're still doing division, and this will help as well. When you're doing your White Rose work, the questions do get harder as they go along. At the beginning, the first 2 pages, they are fluency questions, so they are lots of practice. Then it goes on to reasoning, asking you questions, whether you think people have got the questions right or wrong and why, and then problem solving at the end. And I know that these are harder questions. You've just got to try and give them a go. But this week with our division and the bus stop, I just want you to have a good go at practicing. I remember in our mental arithmetic tests before Christmas, this was flagged up as something that you wanted to do some more work on. I think maybe there was a bit of a gap in our year 4 lockdown where we need to go over the bus stop again. So it's quite a nice, once you get your head around it, it's a really easy way of working out the calculations. So we're going to just practice it today. So the first one here says 47 shared by 3. So we put the 3, the number that we're sharing by, on the outside of the bus stop, and then you draw your bus stop. It's like a bus shelter where you go and catch the bus. You can use a ruler. My ruler up here is not good for bus stop. It just makes a mess, so forgive me for that. So I put my 47 in the bus stop, and then simply we follow this method. So we say, how many 3s in 4? How many times can I count 3 in a group of 4? So if I had 4, a group of 4, and I wanted to know how many groups of 3 there were in 4, there would be 1, 2, there's one group of 3. So there's only one group of 3 in 4. And how many are left over? There's 1. So we put that leftover one next to our next number along here. So this number now becomes 17. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say how many 3s in 17. And I'm going to count up in 3s till I get to the multiple of 3 before 17. So I go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, counting up in 3s, 15, 18. Oh, I've gone too far. I've gone too far because I only need to get to 17. So I've gone 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times. But don't forget, my target number was 17 and I got to 15. So I've got 2 left over. From 15 to 17, there's 2 left over. So I've got remainder 2. So the answer here for 47 shared by 3 is 15, remainder 2. Let's look at the next one. Again, it's just a method that you have to follow and practice. Like the long division, long multiplication is something that you the more you practice, the more you'll get it. So let's have a look at another bus stop division method. So we've got 26 divided by 5. So 5 goes on the, let's start that again. 5. And on the inside of my bus stop, yours will be a ruler, it'll be a lot neater than mine, 26. So the first thing I'm going to do, how many 5s in 2? Oh, right, okay, let's have a look. So a group of 2. How many 5s in 2? There aren't any 5s in 2, are there? I've only got 2. So what we do here is we cross the 2 out and we move it across next to the next number. So we've got no 2s in 2, but I can't just forget about that, so I'm going to move it across here. So now I'm saying how many 5s in 26? So I'm going to count up in multiples of 5 till I get to the multiple of 5 before 26. So I go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh, gone too far. If we're in class, I'd be saying to you, shout me when to stop, children. I've gone too far. because I only want to get to 26. So I've gone 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I needed to get to 26. I've got 1 left over. Remainder 1. So 26 divided by 5 is 5. Ooh, my board's going funny today. 5. Remainder 1. Let's look at the last one here. These are actually on the word today if you're using the White Rose word today. So let's have a look at another one. 89 is in my bus stop. Yours will be nice and neat with a ruler. Shared by 4. How many times does 4 go into 8? Counting up in my multiples, 4, 8. Well, that's an easy one. There's 2 with no remainders. Then I go on to how many 4s go into 9? 4, 8. You should be saying to me, stop, because 12 is too far. So it goes 2 times. But my target number was 9, not 8. So I've got 1 left over. It's 22, remainder 1. Children, it's all about practicing today. See what you can do. I need to see your working out. There's not enough room on the White Rose sheets for you to do your working out. So I want to see it on a piece of paper. It's really important that you show me that working out, because if you're going wrong somewhere or not carrying over at the right place, I can help you and direct you to where you've gone wrong. And we only learn from making mistakes. So don't worry if you make mistakes, because when I can point them out to you, then hopefully you'll see where you've gone wrong. But do your best, and I'll speak to you later. Bye.